Planning a move from Ottawa to Rimouski? It's a long-distance relocation across Quebec, and while the route is straightforward, the pricing can feel a bit confusing at first, especially if you've never done a move this far before. In this video, I'll break down the real cost, what affects your quote, and what you should expect so you can plan with confidence. Let's start with the numbers. For most Ottawa to Rimouski moves, pricing typically falls around $3,500 to $4,500 plus, and depending on home size and services included. For smaller loads or more basic service options, some estimates may start slightly lower. But once you factor in full household relocation, packing, and labor, the cost usually lands in that mid to high range. So even though it's a single province move, this is still a full long-distance job, not a quick local trip. So what actually determines your final price? First, distance and fuel costs. This route is roughly 800 plus kilometers, so travel time and fuel are a major part of the pricing structure. Second, home size and volume of items. A studio or small apartment is much faster to load than a full multi-bedroom household. Third, labor time and crew size. More movers can speed things up but also increase the hourly rate. And finally, additional services like packing, furniture disassembly, and storage can raise the total, but they also reduce your workload significantly. At the core, it's all about time, weight, and logistics. This is definitely not a same-day move. Most Ottawa to Rimouski relocations take around 1 to 2 days of travel and handling, depending on scheduling and load size. The driving distance alone is over 8 to 9 hours, so movers usually complete loading one day, travel overnight or next day, and finish unloading upon arrival. So it's a structured, multi-step process, not a quick turnaround. Now let's talk about what often surprises people. Even with a quote, you may still see additional charges for packing supplies like boxes, tape, and wrapping, heavy or oversized furniture, long carry fees if parking is far from the home, storage if your move-in timing changes unexpectedly. These costs aren't always obvious at the beginning, but they can affect your final bill if they come into play. That's why asking for a fully itemized estimate up front is always the safest approach. If you want to manage your moving cost better, a few simple decisions help a lot. Start by reducing what you bring. Less volume means less labor and lower cost. If possible, pack your own items ahead of time so movers can focus purely on transport. And try to avoid peak scheduling periods like weekends or month-end dates when demand is higher. These aren't major sacrifices, but they can noticeably improve your final price. At the end of the day, moving from Ottawa to Rimouski is a big distance, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Once you understand how pricing works, you can plan ahead, compare quotes, and avoid unnecessary surprises. Take your time, ask the right questions, and choose what fits your move best.